Today I am having a question here. I think so it will be helping you in the coming examination, that is your exam JEE main or the coming exam JEE advanced. Question is belonging from the permutation and combination topic based on geometry. What question is saying? It is saying like, let a polygon of n sides, generally here we are taking regular polygon of n side is given, then find total number of total number of triangles which have one side in common, total number of triangles which have two sides in common, and we are taking the vertices of the triangle as the vertices of the polygon, and total number of triangle which have no side in common. One by one question in detail I'll explain. Try to understand here. If you are not understanding, then later on again you can ask, no problem at all. I hope so it will be very easy after explanation. Let's crack the question one by one. Okay, first part saying total number of diagonal. Okay, like how it will be looking like. First of all, the triangle, the polygon, like let's say starting from here, then here, then here, then here, and then here, or this one I think so. Okay, I'll make it again. Slowly bending like this. Okay, so like it will be moving, and then for n side it will be closing, correct or not? Okay, I'm thinking like it is, let's say I'm naming it as P1 vertices, it is as P2, it is as P3, and then let's say one more taking, okay, P4 vertices. Okay, what we are going to write? Number of diagonal, correct? You tell me, if you are going to join any two vertices, let's say P1 P2 you are going to join, then a line segment will be formed. Okay, but this is not the diagonal. But if you are joining P1 with the P3, then it is a diagonal. It is a diagonal. You are joining P2 to this one, let's say any Pn, let's say it is coming like this one up to this one Pn, then this is also diagonal. Meaning what? If we are joining any 2 points, then a line segment is going to be formed. That will be either side or diagonal. Okay, so I'll say total number of lines will be created, that will be NC2. But out of these line segments, n lines are there, that is join up P1 P2, join up P1 Pn, join up P2 P3, join up P3 P4. Such n lines are there in this one, which are not diagonal. Those are sides of this polygon. So I need to subtract that. Hope so very clear. We'll go to the question number 2 of this one. What question saying? Second number, total number of triangle which have one side in common. Now try to see again this picture. Try to see if it is no side in common, one side in common, meaning you want to make the triangle. Let's say I am taking this P1 P2 side in common, so I cannot take P2 P3 in common. So where the triangle how will be formed? It need to meet only one side in common to P4, like this type triangle will be formed. Okay, this type triangle will be formed. Or let's say here P5 is there, so it will be meeting with this one, then this triangle will be formed. Try to see for a particular side P1 P2, how many triangle we can form such that only the side of polygon is P1 P2 other sides of in the triangle, other sides are not the side of this polygon. So you will say, sir, for P1 P2 how many options are there to take the third vertex? P1 P2 two vertices are there, third vertex I need to select such that another side of the polygon may not, what we need to select in such a way the third vertex, so that further side of the polygon should not come in the common. Only one side of the triangle is the side of the polygon. You will say, sir, in this way if you try to see, then I need to leave only P1, P2, P3, P4. Otherwise anywhere if I'll join, even not this one, P1, P2, P3, okay, not P4, P1, P2, P3 and Pn also if you are going to join, then two sides will be in common. Means Pn also you need to leave. Means this point, this point, this point and this point. Except these 4 points, if I am going to join anywhere with the vertices of the polygon and the vertices P1, P2, for particular P1, P2, then P1, P2 for this side it is having n minus 4 choices, because n sides are there, 4 corners you can't use, otherwise more than one side will be in common, means two sides will be in common then. Okay, so you will be saying, sir, for particular P1, P2 it is having n minus 4 choices. Out of n minus 4 you will say, sir, or you will say n minus 4 vertices are available. Out of n minus 4 vertices you choose any one vertex, corresponding every choice one triangle will be formed. Correct or not? For a particular side P1, P2, number of triangle such that only side P1, P2 is side of what? Polygon. Okay, so this much. Similarly n sides are there, try to think. Okay, similarly n sides available for this polygon. So we are n into this much, so number of such triangles equal to n into n minus 4 C1. Clear? We'll see the third number, total number of triangle which have two sides in common. Also very clear it is, and easy again I'll say, you see, as you are choosing any particular P1, P2, then so that only one side P1, P2 is common with the triangle. Okay, P1, P2 side of the polygon is common in the upcoming all the triangles what you are going to form. Then you will say, sir, you cannot join with P3, P2, P1 already gone, Pn means remaining all these 4 vertices you are going to join anywhere with these two vertices, then a triangle will be formed such that only the side P1, P2 is the side of polygon. In such a way n sides are there, so n into these many triangles will be formed. Okay, third thing it is saying what? That two sides are in common. When two sides are in common means what? Two sides of the polygon are in the triangle. So you will be saying, meaning, sir, like if I am taking, let's say something this type polygon. So if I am taking again, this is P1, this is P2, this is P3, this is P4, like going on, and here will be coming as Pn. So two side common means you will be saying, sir, take P1, P2, and P2 P3 in common, then this triangle is possible. Okay, this triangle possible. Similarly, you will say for P2 P3 and P3 P4, this triangle possible. Keep in mind, we are shifting just one side, okay, this side, like this, in clockwise you are shifting, correct? Again, you can take the sides, this one and this one as two side common, again one triangle will be formed. In this way you will be keep shifting up to n sides, correct or not? Up to nth side, up to here, then last triangle will be formed, this one, where this and this side two common. So you'll be saying n shift will be there, means n such triangle we can form. Okay, so very easy it is. Okay, answer is what? N directly writing. Okay, now the fourth one, answer directly you can write. What is that? Total number of triangle, it is saying total number of triangle which have no side in common. So you know that any three vertices will choose, then one triangle will be formed. So total number of triangle, answer I am writing again, minus number of triangle when two sides are in common and when one side is common, because it is saying no side in common. So you will be saying n into n minus 4 C1 when one side is common and when two sides are in common. Okay, hope so it is, you find it easily. Okay, we'll meet again with the new concept.